Hi, I'm Rachel from TLAB at the Palo Alto Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy paper snowflakes. They're the perfect ornament or decoration for the holiday season, and they're super easy to make. So let's get started! The materials you'll need are 6 square pieces of paper that have the dimensions of 8 inch by 8 inch, 7 inch by 7 inch, 6 by 6, 5 by 5, 4 by 4, and 3 by 3. I used a combination of regular copy paper, origami paper, and magazine clippings, but feel free to use whatever paper you have as long as it's not too thick. You'll also need scissors, glue, a pencil, and a 12-inch piece of string. To start, take your 8-inch paper and fold it in half so you're left with a triangle. Then take the 2 end points of the folded triangle and fold them onto each other to form a smaller triangle. Fold it the same way again so the endpoints are folded together. Now unfold the fold you just made so that there is a crease in the middle, and then take a long edge from the side and fold it in half so it touches the crease. Take the big side and fold it all the way over the crease so it overlaps the small side. Then flatten all of your edges and you should be left with a shape that looks like this. Then cut off the 2 tails so that your snowflake is no longer a square. Take your triangle and cut out some triangles and other cuts like this. You can use a pencil to sketch your cuts before cutting them, or freehand it like I did. Make sure your cuts go all the way through the paper, and try not to make your cuts too intricate, or else they will be difficult to replicate on smaller snowflakes. I cut out a smaller triangle in the bottom of my larger triangle to make an 8-pointed snowflake. I also did some smaller cuts along the sides. I also cut out the middle of the snowflake by making a diagonal cut along the top point of the triangle. After you make some cuts, you can unfold your snowflake to see how it looks, and then refold it if you want to make more cuts. Once you're happy with your first snowflake, repeat this process with your other smaller pieces of paper. Try to make identical cuts on your smaller snowflakes as you did on your first snowflake by using your previous snowflake as a guide. They don't have to be perfect because each snowflake is unique. all 6 of your snowflakes and put them under heavy books for at least an hour to flatten them out. Heavy school textbooks work great for this, so I used my algebra and chemistry textbook. After an hour, take your snowflakes out from under the heavy books and then glue them in increasing order of size, rotating each snowflake so they go in alternating opposite directions. Start by gluing your 7-inch snowflake in the middle of your 8-inch snowflake. Then glue your 6-inch snowflake onto your 7-inch snowflake, and so on and so forth. Let the glue dry for at least 30 minutes. Then tie your string through one of the holes in your outer snowflake like this. And there you go, a beautiful layered and decorative snowflake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content. And follow us on all the socials, at Palo Library. Thanks for watching. Bye!